How to get Roblox voice chat or how to turn on voice chat on Roblox. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can turn on voice chat. Now first, on your mobile, iOS or Android apps, you can simply go ahead and open up Roblox. Once you open up Roblox, you can head into the More tab here. And from More tab, you want to head into Settings. Once under Settings, you'll find the option here that says Privacy and Content Restrictions, right? Tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you'll find the communication option. You want to select that, and under communication here, you should be able to see the option for voice chat. Now, here itself is not available in my region, so you can see I can enable camera input, but there is no any voice, but you should be able to find the voice chat option, and under it, you'll have to toggle it on to use microphone to chat with voice. If you want to turn it on web or desktop, go to gear icon, then go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Content Maturity tab and go to Communication tab. There, under voice chat, you want to toggle the use microphone to chat with voice on. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.